Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we doing? I hope we're all doing good. For me, I'm doing well by the grace of God. Welcome back to another video. Thanks to all who have subscribed to my channel, and if you're yet to subscribe, please do well to hit that subscribe button, okay? Yes, so in today's video, we'll be talking about how to make 2022 work. So if you're watching this video and you are thinking of how can I make 2022 be a successful year for me, the year is just starting. I know all I did in 2021, I couldn't achieve much in 2021. This is 2022. How can I do it? Will it still be like it was before? This video is for you, so keep watching. So yes guys, like I said, for us to make 2022 work, we must be intentional about every goal we have set. This is not the time to set unrealistic goals or write down unrealistic new resolutions that we're not going to achieve. This is the time to write and do, say and do. When you have set a goal to do a particular thing, make up your mind that you are going to achieve that thing without looking back or thinking twice. Okay, so my advice to young people, young ones out there in this year, all those goals you have set for yourself is either to further your education or to get a skill, acquire a skill, or to relocate or to travel, just whatever you have set for yourself. Be intentional about all your goals. Be intentional. And what I mean by being intentional is making sure that you are working towards achieving those things you have set out for yourself. That is how to make this year, a big deal and to make it really, really work out for you. Yeah, so the second thing I want to say is let God be involved in everything you do. In every decision you take and every step of the way, every step you want to take, let God be involved. Be Christ-centered. Put God factor. Inform God of your decisions, because He's the only one that can direct us to the right path, and definitely you're not going to miss the way. So one, like I said, be intentional, and two, involve God in everything you do. Yes, so the next one I'm going to say is see how to manage your time properly, because we only have 12 months in a year, and some people may feel that 12 months is not enough to achieve certain things. Some feel, 12 months is enough to achieve, what I have set for myself. So be intentional, be Christ-centered, and then manage your time very well. Don't waste this year. Don't waste a day of this year. Don't procrastinate. Avoid procrastination. There's a popular saying that says procrastination is the thief of time. Yes, so it's not a friend to time at all. So do not procrastinate. Make sure you use all the 365 days or 366 days of this year to achieve a lot of things. Make every day count. Yes, so, and for the last point is see how to reach out to others. You're not in isolation. So definitely you must learn from others and others learn from you. So reach out to people as much as you can for advice. Those mentors of yours, this is time to have mentors, reconnect with them, get to know them, get advice from them. And I know that you will achieve a lot in this year. Thank you so much for listening. Please, if you enjoyed this video, do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share to as many as you can. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.